Alright, hi, this is Daniel and welcome to part 2 where I'm going to go through and show you in Facebook how to set up this entire campaign, the budgeting, how much money you should spend, the audience, the ad, the creative, the copy, the video, the lead form, everything like that. Right after that, I'm actually going to go into the email sequence we send people right after they opt in, and this is the secret sauce that's going to take these cold leads and turn them into warm and hot prospects. They're going to buy your products. Okay, so that's going to be the secret sauce. It's going to take them from cold all the way to hot and purchasing with your business. So let's get into it here. First off, you're going to go to your ads manager, obviously, and create an ad. I'm going to assume you know how to do that. Then you're going to select your objective. Your objective is going to be lead generation. Click that one. Okay, now we'll just make it a lead. We'll just say lead generation Daniel video test. Okay, and you're going to go ahead and turn campaign budget optimization on, and I would leave split test off because you're going to be able to dynamically split test without that. So you're going to select your daily budget. If you're just starting out, I would probably recommend a minimum. The minimum is $5. I recommend at least probably $10 to start off, just because it gives Facebook a bit more to work with. I'm up to the point where we're spending, starting to spend a few $100s a day on ads because we're confident and we know that the system works. So we'll just put that at 10 for now. Okay, bid strategy. When you're first starting off, I would start at lowest cost bid strategy. This is going to give Facebook pretty much free reign to, broadcast this ad to, whoever's interested in your products or whatever you're giving away. And this is definitely going to vary depending on which market you're in and how saturated it is and all sorts of stuff. So I would start at lowest cost. Now, as you do these a few more times, I would probably, and you figure out kind of what your average cost per lead is, I would then switch this to cost cap, and cost cap is going to allow you to select the maximum that you are willing to pay for a lead while also letting you get all the cheap leads as well. Okay, so start with lowest cost to begin with. Going to push continue there. Okay, business page. Hopefully you have a business page. Dynamic creative. You're going to turn this setting on. Okay, yes. Now this is going to allow you to this is going to allow Facebook to dynamically split test all the different variations of your ad and figure out which is the best one without you having to do anything. There's no manual effort involved in that. Okay. Now your audience. This is probably the one of the most important things, if not the most important. Now, ideally, you're going to have an email list or something like that already, or an audience already that you can send this ad to. If not, you're going to choose, interest-based targeting, or however you want to target people. This isn't really a video about targeting; it's about setting up the campaign. So I'll let you figure that out. Ideally, it would be a lookalike audience of an existing list you have. So we're going to go ahead and choose that. So we can do, we'll just do this, 578 giveaway audience. This is one I've already made. Just a couple lookalikes of people that have opted into a previous giveaway. So this is like, Facebook's got this dialed in, and then I've got a few more parameters based on our audience. Okay, detailed targeting expansion, I've read a little bit about this, and it doesn't seem to be worth it. I would probably just leave that off for now. Placements, go ahead and just click automatic placements. Facebook typically knows best where to put your ad, so just leave it on automatic. Okay, the rest of this, yep, that's good. For a giveaway, you're probably going to set an end date because your giveaway is going to be a time period. I would recommend a 30-day giveaway. Seems to be the best. It lets Facebook optimize the ads, and it's not too expensive to run the giveaway in terms of the stuff you're giving away, and it just seems to be the best. It's a short enough period of time that people can see a month in advance of what they would do with the product. So I would set an end date. So this is fine. We'll just let it default right there. So 30 days from whenever you start it or whenever your giveaway ends. Okay, that's fine. Go ahead and click continue. Alrighty, here now we're in the ad section of the campaign, and let this load up real quick. Okay, identity's fine. Leave that alone. Hopefully you have an Instagram account as well. Your Facebook ads will run on Instagram automatically. So your format is going to be ideally video, but an image works, it can work. So I'm going to just leave that blank for now, and we'll show you the video that I would have run had I set this campaign up. Actually, let's go ahead and watch that right now and break down. Now, I just recorded this video a few days ago. This is actually in a campaign we're running right as this video is being recorded. So let's go ahead and watch this.
Do you want to win a newly released Tri-Band DMR mobile pre-programmed package worth over $1,000? Well, click the link down below to learn more. Do you want to win a top-of-the-line Tri-Band DMR mobile, a bulletproof dual-band DMR hotspot, a Tri-Band mobile antenna made specifically for this radio, a limited edition Anytone hat, our beginner to expert Anytone 578 course, and to top it all off, we're going to cover shipping for your grand total winnings of $1,005.98. If you want to win all that, click the link down below to learn more. Look forward to drawing your name. Thank you, 7-3. Click the button below to sign up now.
Okay, so let's break down what just happened there. Now this ad is currently running in a campaign running now, and it has actually generated us over 1,000 new leads in under 2 days using the strategy that I'm teaching you right now, that we've just refined a little bit further. This exact video has done that. So over a third of what we did in the last campaign, but in 2 days, okay? With only a little bit more budget, and we're getting leads at like 44 cents a lead right now. So let's break this down. And I'd recommend that you go back, take notes, and rewatch this video when you're making your video, because this is the winning formula. As you can see, it's really short, under a minute, 49 seconds. Make it as short as possible while still explaining the full extent of the giveaway, what you want them to do, and what's going to be in it. Because remember, you do not have a sales page or another landing page that you can explain this stuff on, because it's a Facebook lead ad. So you can be a little bit more thorough in this type of ad.
Do you want to win a newly released Tri-Band?
So okay, a few things about the video we can talk about. It's in 1:1 format, so it's a square video, and we have thirds here. So we've got the top as a 1,000 the giveaway, and then at the bottom you always want to have captions. So you want to put the captions manually in your editor on the video, so they can't be toggled off by the user. You want them always on there, as you can see here.
And DMR mobile pre-programmed.
Okay, again, I asked the question. Do you want this thing? Do you want these items? And input whatever your audience is going to be interested in with a product that you sell, okay, for this type of thing. And then the audience is always going to say, yes, I want this thing. Like if I was gonna, if I was a dog owner and I was like, do you want a year supply of free dog food? I'm like, yes, that sounds great, right? And so that's what I would tell them.
Package is over $1,000. Well, click the link down below to learn more.
Okay, so you see immediately within the first 7 seconds, I told them, if you want this, click the link down below to learn more. So a call to action right off the bat, right before they scroll away. So the people that are really, hot to trot can go ahead and sign up. They immediately know what they need to do if they want this. And then they'll click this learn more button down here, which will then pop the lead form up. And the reason I'm spending a little bit of time on this video is because it's the most critical element of your campaign, is to get the video right. And if you can't, then do the picture and the text, but if you can, the video 100% is going to just make it really win.
Do you want to win a top-of-the-line Tri-Band DMR mobile, a bulletproof dual-band DMR hotspot, a Tri-Band mobile antenna made specifically for this radio, a limited edition Anytone hat?
Okay, one thing I did here is I'm value stacking what they're going to get. I'm showing them everything in the giveaway, but I'm also not, so there's specific model numbers for these things, these products I'm giving away, but I don't actually tell them the model number. I just tell them in general layman's terms, because our products are kind of complex and I want this to appeal to the broadest audience possible. So I'm telling them in layman's terms what they're getting. So pretty much everyone that could potentially sign up for this kind of understand. And if you sell complicated things, you might try that as well. So avoid kind of technical jargon and model numbers and things like that, and just put it into very simple layman's terms that anybody could understand in your in your industry. So we go through that for a little bit. Just more stack. We tell them grand total. They're going to win $1,005.98. Got a few effects in there. Again, just maintaining the captions. And then again, another call to action at the end.
If you want to win all
this
that,
is
click the link down below to learn more. Look forward to drawing your name. Thank you, 7-3.
So that look forward to drawing your name there, that was a little bit of a future pacing thing. Oh man, my name's gonna get drawn. I better sign up. This guy, he wants to sign me up. So that's another little trick.
Click the button below to sign up now.
Again, have a little arrow, more pointing, telling them exactly where to go. Make sure there's no confusion. There's no, it's completely clear what the customer is supposed to do. And then at the end here, we just have a little end card. Thanks for watching, the brand, and then click the Learn More button, and then we'll choose that button type. But you want to be very explicit with what they get, and where they need to go to do it, to get it. And so that video is very good at explaining that. And immediately I can show you this campaign in a second, but it's working really well.